Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can edit a video using CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. For today's tutorial, we're going to use CapCut on mobile, and here I have already opened my CapCut application. Then the first thing that we're going to do is creating new project. So I'm going to click on new project here, and then you can import the video from your device. And I'm just going to pick random video from my device, for example this one. You can add one video or multiple videos. If you want to add multiple, just select the video and then you can click on add. And I'm just going to add one video, then we can click on add to import our video. Okay, now the video has been imported to my project. And then if you want to do basic editing on CapCut, you can select your video like this, or you can simply click on edit. It will bring you to the same menu. Okay, and then here you can do basic editing such as speed up your video and then split your video and crop your video or remove the background, and it's up to you. These are the menus that you can use. Okay, you can reverse your video as well here and freeze your video and add beat mark. Okay, and for example, I'm going to change the speed of my video. So I'm going to click on speed and I'm going to select normal. I'm going to make it slower. Okay, and I'm going to split my video. I'm going to split it here and click on delete. Okay, and then I'm going to select the effects menu. Okay, here we will have four kind of effects. You will have video effect, body effect, style, and AI effect, but the AI effect is not free. And I'm going to choose video effect. Video effect means that the effect will be applied to the whole of the video. Okay, and I'm going to select, I'm going to choose one of the effect here. I'm going to choose the random effect, guys. Sorry, I have no idea. Okay, I'm going to choose this one, and if you want to adjust the effect, you can click on adjust here. Okay, and then for the body effect, it means that the effect will be applied to your body. For example, eyes or the whole body or hands. And for the body effect, I'm just going to skip it because I don't have human body in my video, so I'm just going to skip it. Okay, and then I'm going to explore the other menu. Okay, here you can add overlay if you want. Sorry, it's not for adding overlay, but this menu is for make the video become overlay. Okay, and you can apply mask and then you can duplicate your video. Okay, I'm just going to go back to the main menu. Okay, and here you will be able to add text and insert audio and insert caption, or you can add voiceover. If you want to add voiceover, just go to the sounds menu and then you're going to select the record here. Okay, and I'm going to go to the sounds and I'm just going to choose travel and natural category, and I'm going to select one of the audios here. I'm going to choose, for example, this one. Okay, and I'm going to add the audio to my project. Okay, and I'm going to play it. Okay, like this. And then you can adjust your video. You can adjust the brightness and the contrast, saturation. And I'm going to increase the saturation and make it sharper. Okay, like this. And then you can apply filter as well, but I'm not gonna apply the filter. Okay, and then you can add sticker, and then you can change the aspect ratio if you want, and you can add overlay. So this is the menu to add overlay to your video. Okay, you can overlay it with photo or video. Okay, and I'm just going to go back, and this is for adding text and auto caption. You can also draw on your video as well. I'm going to choose this one and I'm going to draw heart. Okay, like this. And then if you want to export your video, guys, you can select export here. And then the video will be saved to your device. Wait, I'm going to quit. Okay, before the exporting, if you want to set your video, you can go to this menu. Here you will be able to choose the format. Either you want to save it as video or GIF right here. And then you can choose the frame rate. Okay, and the resolution. Okay, and click on export. Okay guys, and that's all the way to edit video using CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.